subscribe and look at the tree and stuff. If you guys see any bird nests, do the comments below. And I'll show you what they look like in my next video if you see any. This is tree number 3. I'll get down and show you. I got tangled. Okay. Tree number 3 right next to the doghouse. Especially that dark piece of wood right there. Right there. See? That's tree number 1. That's tree number 2. And if you see a bird nest number 2, say number 2 and I'll show you the next. I see one right now, right there. I'll zoom up for you. For some reason, oh, that's why I didn't put this in. Get a better view of it. Right there. Right there. Could be another one. Nope, that's not. Then we're done for today. Bye. If you want any more bird nests to show me some real bird eggs, then I will. Just do the comments below and subscribe and like this video.